The key to making your book actually worth doing is you start with the business plan. So, the biggest mistake that authors make is they just write a book. So what? Okay, so you've written it. Nobody cares. No one's going to buy it except your friends and family. No one knows it exists. So just writing a book, completely pointless. Completely pointless. Total waste of time and money. Unless, again, it's a passion project, it's a legacy project. The key to making your book actually worth doing is you start with the business plan. You start with the business plan, you start with the promotional plan, you start with the leverage plan before you ever write a word of the book. Because if you don't know exactly how you're going to use it, exactly how you're going to leverage it, exactly how you're going to monetize it, don't do it. Because the reality is you are not going to make money off the sales of the book. My last royalty check, well, second to last one, the last one was $11.18. But the one before that was 54 cents. 54 cents. Like, you are never going to sell enough copies of your book to exceed the cost of publishing. It's just not going to happen. And anyone who tells you otherwise, unless you're super, super, super famous and going with the traditional publishing house, like, you are not going to make $50,000 to $250,000 in straight royalties off the copy of your book, off the sales of your book. You'll be lucky to make $1,000 in a year. That is like amazing royalties, $1,000 in a year. And so if you know, okay, I am not going to recoup the cost of production from straight royalties, then how am I going to get my money back? How am I going to make money from the book? What is my funnel? What are my offers? What is the content I'm going to be teaching in those offers? Who is my ideal client for those offers? What are my price points for my different offers? What's my client acquisition strategy? Right? How am I taking my ideal client? How am I finding my ideal client, connecting with them, and then taking my ideal client on a journey that allows them to get the transformation that they desire, so that they continue in my world, go through my different products and offers, right? And I'm able to monetize them and bring them through my profit pyramid. What is my strategy for that? You must start there. And it's not as quick and easy as like, oh, I'm just going to offer masterminds and retreats, and I'm going to do a 3-day event and a free masterclass. And great. Okay, I have a basic idea. No, you want to dive really, really deep, because all of that needs to be embedded in your book. That's how your book becomes such a critical part of your funnel. That's how your book actually then allows you to leverage it and have your business in a book, right? Your book needs to speak directly to your ideal client. It needs to address their hopes, their fears, their dreams. It needs to overcome their objections and take them on an aligned journey. They need to actually start to get transformation within the book, right? But the book should mirror the programs that you're offering. The book should mirror the content that you'd be teaching if you did a 6-month program or year-long program or group coaching, or if you were doing a retreat, or you're doing masterminds, or you're doing other events, or you're recording an e-course, like whatever the different aspects of your business plan are, the book needs to mirror that. But the book can't mirror that if you start with the book. The book can only mirror that if you start with a business plan, and you're spending the time to build out your funnels, build out your pyramid, right? Get clear on your avatar. Then you can embed that so that the book can Speak to your ideal client, connect with them, build the know, like, and trust factor, start to take them on that journey where they are starting to get transformation so that they want to continue that journey with you. It needs to be strategically reverse engineered from the end in mind.